Welcome to Villa Media Productions. I just wanted to do a quick video on the Traxxas Rustler owners, at least the new ones like I am, first time owner. I did some bashing and that's exactly what I did. On my last run, hit a fence pole which broke my A-arm. I'm doing this in the dark. Broke my A-arm, so I got to replace that. And then the speed of which the tire stopped after I hit it broke the plastic lugs that it comes with. So this is stripped like right here. So I gotta go get some aluminum ones. That's the next thing. So I'm getting new A-arms, RPM in blue, new 12 millimeter nuts, and I also, let me grab that, I broke a shock. I do have the aluminum ones. I did have aluminum shop caps on there, but I guess the speed of the hit, I hit it pretty good, so I lost the rubber seal. So I got to get the rubber seal, redo my shocks, and then see how it all turns out. So that's it. I might put a video of the jump I was doing at the track at Lake Park in Tampa. So thanks for watching.